Alphas, what's good? Today we're gonna be listening to XG's In the Rain, in the Rain, in the Rain. And Is This Love? I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna individually release them on YouTube, but patrons will get this for early access altogether, of course. So, yeah, hopefully the lyrics are correct. I mean, obviously it's chill. It's in English, but hopefully the parts are correct. You never know. But I just want to be able to kind of follow along that way. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the lyric videos. Just to make sure I'm not missing anything. Anyways, let's go. In the Rain, starting first. 3, 2, 1. Boom. New XG music. It was kind of spoiled for me, but I don't remember anything except that it's really good.
Rain on my shoulder, cloud in my head over heels, nothing to fear, cause we had each other, fall through the weather, there was no other like this, and then you started hiding it, sliding in, baby it's so evident, boy why are you stuttering, but my dude still running in,
Still running that mouth.
so you never been like that,
Maya vocals have returned. Oh, dude, is that Julia? Pretty sure. Go, go. Ooh, that little chime there. Okay, I think we're getting some of the parts wrong. Hello?
Funny how I don't wanna make it stop. Hands every time it drop. Each drop. Right now you got me dancing in the rain, all by myself like I'm insane. But sometimes the words just can't explain. I don't really wanna think about anything. Goodbye. Ain't no one will look back.
And that's Hinata. Okay, all of this is wrong.
Save it all in a frame without me, baby. Heart on a drain, all the scars, all the pain. I'm washing it all away because you left me in the rain, in the rain. Left me out in the cold with nobody to hold. Can't you see I'm a side, I'm a side, I'm a side. So let it rain, what else can I do? Ain't no sign of a light, no umbrella to hide. Still I'm standing here right when you left me.
Oh.
In the rain, 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 in the rain. Non-stop, baby, let me soak and scrub, wash you off in the rain. Non-stop, baby, let me soak and scrub, wash you off in the rain. There's no umbrella to hide. Still I'm standing here. Can't you see I'm a side, I'm a side, I'm a side.
Ah, it's so good.
In the rain.
Yes. Again. Bro, I should make lyric videos. I clearly know the members better than this channel.
Rain on my shoulder, cloud in my head over heels, nothing to fear, cause we had each other, fall through the weather, there was no other like this, and then you started hiding it, sliding in, baby it's so evident, boy why are you stuttering, but my dude still running in.
Great, it's a great little flow there from
So
Harvey.
you never been like that,
So you never. I love this.
yeah, I know it's a shame, what a pity. You got nobody to blame, but you
Can we talk about Juden's vocals, bro? Whenever she gets the chance to sing, bro, it's very understated. But like, I remember something ain't right when she had that little flow as well. Like, I think we need her as a rapper in a lot of songs because she just brings that impact, right? That leadership quality. Okay, but it's really nice to hear her sing as well because like she's got a unique tone.
It's a shame, what a
Same.
pain. You got nobody to blame but your baby. Night after night, all the times, all the tries, I'm washing it
Ta
all
da da
away
ta. I
because
love
you
it.
left me in the rain, in the rain, in the rain. Left me out in the cold with
Out in-
nobody to hold. Can't you see I'm my side, I'm my side, I'm my side. So let it rain, let it rain. What else can I do? Ain't no sign of a light, no umbrella to hide. Still I'm standing here right where you
I forgot to mention that when I did the visualizer reaction, but Coco slayed those vocals.
in the rain, in the rain, in the rain. Rain, rain, don't go away. Please stay another day. Find
Is that Juden or is that Harvey in this part?
a way. Rain, rain, don't go away. Please stay another day. Funny how I don't wanna make it stop, stop. Hands every time it drop, drop, drop. Each drop.
I mean, that's Juden, obviously. Wait. What? Juden?
Funny how I don't wanna make it stop, stop. Hands every time it
Ah.
drop, drop, drop. Each drop.
And I think this is Hinata with the ad-libs.
Right now you got me dancing in the rain, all by myself like I'm insane. But sometimes the words just can't explain. I don't really wanna think about anything. Goodbye, goodbye. Ain't no one will look back, look back.
And that's Hinata still.
It's only a game, but a pity.
Harvey.
Save it all in a frame without me, baby. Heart down a drain, all the scars, all the pain. I'm washing it all away because you left me in the rain, in the rain, in the rain. Left me out in the cold with nobody to hold. Can't you see I'm my side, I'm my side, I'm my side. So let it rain, let it rain. What else can I do? Ain't no sign of a light, no umbrella to hide. Still I'm standing here right when you left me in the rain, 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 in the rain. Baby, let me soak and scrub, wash you off. In the
Scrub, wash you off, what?
rain. Baby, let me soak and scrub, wash you off. In the rain, in the rain, in the rain. No umbrella to hide.
I've been there. I've been there. Especially this year, man. Very nice. Very nice. Love this. Love this. It's exactly what I was hoping for and more, bro. I've been waiting for a song like this. Let's see what the Harvey doing the ad-libs, I think. Maya, what's this? Love that. I love that. Hina or Coco? Okay, I don't know, bro. There's a bunch wrong here, but it's okay. I appreciate the effort, you know. It's nice to be able to follow along. And you guys can let me know. Because obviously we don't have a live stage yet. We'll know when we see the live stage or maybe a performance video like they used to do with like left, right, shooting star. You know what I'm saying? That would be cool. That would be cool. All right, let's check out Is This Love? Ooh, lo-fi? Ooh. I like how it's not like a perfect key. It kind of has like that little... Sorry, Chisa's going off. My bad. Got a very nostalgic kind of vibe. Yay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you're my sunshine. You're the only one I wanna give all my time. There's just something about it. Soon as we met, I couldn't even help it. Yeah, I got a feeling.
My servant vocals. Oh! What?
Got you on my mind. If you feel the same, won't you swing my way? Baby, don't make me wait. I don't know if it's meant to be, but it feels like everything. Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love taking over me? Feel that energy. Is this love? Is this love? I don't know why they say love is so
Okay, Julia.
blind. Something so hard to find, but I think we found it.
Oh, okay.
I think we got it, no doubt about it. If it ain't, then what's love? Someone tell me what's up. What's love gonna do when you feeling blue? You've been looking for the truth, so I'm telling you. But all this time in the back of my mind is back to remind me. So let me learn what I never knew. Now you got me like, ooh, I don't care. I want you to take me there. Baby, let's get away. Will I know what it means one day? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love taking over me? Feel that energy. Is this love?
Harvey.
Is this love?
Harvey.
Some days I just
Hey.
can't seem to figure
Hey.
out
Hey.
this feeling of
Hey.
love jumping
Hey.
up and down. Still don't get it, just being honest. I'm stuck here with the same question, baby. Is this love? Is this love? Is this love taking over me? Feel that energy. Is this love? Is this love? Is this love?
Again. I love this, whatever this is.
Oh, no, no. Oh, no, no. Yeah,
I like it. This is a great vibe. Obviously, I'm gonna be playing in the rain a lot more because it's more my vibe, but I love this stuff too.
You're the only one I wanna give all my time. There's just something about it. Soon as we met, I couldn't even help it. Yeah, I
Love
got
Maya's
a
vocals on this.
feeling and I can't ignore it.
And I love that.
I mean what I say. Got you on my mind. If you feel the same, won't you swing
Same.
my way? Baby, don't make me wait. I don't know if it's meant to be, but it feels like everything. Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love taking over me? Feel that energy. Is this love? Is this love?
Oh my god.
I don't know why they say love is so blind. Something so hard to find, but I think we found it. I think we got it.
Like, I just need to reiterate, bro. Like, Julia has my favorite voice in the group. She just, the way that she sings, bro, the way that she's just like, I don't know, man. It's really impressive. It's like a technical, like, technically she is so freaking crazy. And it's so like, she's so soft at the same time, bro. I don't know how she does it.
Feel that energy. Is this love? Is this love? I don't know why they say love is so blind. Something so hard to find, but I think we found it.
The way she controls her voice is just so
No
amazing.
doubt about it. If it ain't, then what's love? Someone tell me what's up. What's love gonna do when you feeling blue? You've been looking for the truth, so I'm telling you. But all this time in the back of my mind is back to remind me. So let me learn what I never
Julian
knew.
is really good on all three of these songs. Like,
I want you to take me there. Baby, let's get away. Will I know what it means one day? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love? Is this love?
very difficult and very difficult to sing that. Shout out to Hinata, bro. Always growing, always evolving.
Some days I just can't seem to figure out this feeling of love jumping up and down. Still don't get
Chords, I like all this.
just being honest. I'm stuck here with the same question, baby.
Yeah.
Is this love? Is this love taking over me? Feel that
Lisa,
energy.
right?
Is this love? Is this love? Is this love?
No. cut it off there. And then very good. This is love, bro. If this is what love is, then I never want to not be in love. What? Okay. Hope you guys enjoyed. You can check out this, of course, for early access on Patreon. And we're gonna be watching the 2 live stages that came out in the last couple days. So yeah, plenty more XG stuff coming your way. So stay tuned and yeah, have a good one. Peace.